Want to know why self-catered accommodation at University Kent's the best? Well, we've got all the reasons right here. Trust us, you're going to love it.
Honestly, living in self-catered accommodation at Kent has been amazing. The rooms are a decent size with enough storage for all of the essentials.
Most flats come with their own ensuite. I love having my own bathroom. No waiting around in the morning, just get up and go.
Our accommodation has a shared bathroom, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, no, I only share with one other person in King's houses, and there's always one available.
And don't forget the kitchens. I love having a shared space where we can all cook together. It's so much cheaper than eating out, and there's plenty of room for us to hang out, chill, and chat after a long day.
And you can even get the local supermarket to deliver your shopping to campus.
Although, if cooking is not for you, there is always the option to buy a self-catering package on top, which means you can skip the dishes and eat out at any of our campus outlets.
And the best part? Everything's covered in your rent. No surprises. Everything from Wi-Fi, insurance and electricity, Kent's got you covered.
Oh, and there's no deposit either. I literally just accepted my offer, packed my stuff and moved in. Couldn't have been much easier.
And a free Kent Sport membership. You get access to everything from the gym to fitness classes and so much more. After a long day of lectures, it's the perfect way to relax and blow off steam. Plus, it's such a good way to meet new people. So many clubs, societies and social sports with an all-active programme. You'll never be bored.
I joined one of the sports clubs during Welcome Week. It was the best decision ever. I've made so many friends already.
And the real life ambassadors are great. They organize all sorts of activities for us, even painting and cookery classes.
That's right, we want to make sure everybody's involved and having a good time. We want campus to feel like your home.
And there's so much choice for self-catered accommodation. Turing, Keynes, Tyler, Darwin, Wool, and Parkwood. And seriously, there's something for everyone, whether you want to be in the heart of the things or you want to be somewhere quieter.
So what are you waiting for? Check out the website and get your accommodation sorted.